Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Moon Pearl. This mystical item is crucial for your adventures in the dark world, ensuring you maintain your true form. To begin your quest, you must first make your way to the towering peaks of Death Mountain. The Moon Pearl is hidden deep within the ancient structure known as the Tower of Hera, awaiting a brave hero to claim it. Prepare for a challenging ascent and a thrilling dungeon crawl to secure this invaluable artifact. Before heading to the Tower of Hera, ensure you have collected the 3 pendants of virtue. These are found in the Eastern Palace, Desert Palace, and the Tower of Hera itself. With these, you can then claim the Master Sword from the Lost Woods. Once prepared, use the flute for quick travel or the magic mirror to ascend Death Mountain, where the Tower of Hera awaits. Upon entering the Tower of Hera, you will need to navigate its 5 distinct floors. This dungeon presents various puzzles and enemies that require careful strategy. Be sure to use your magic hammer to clear any obstacles, such as pegs, that block your path. Keep an eye out for hidden switches and pathways to ensure you explore every corner of this challenging tower. Your journey through the Tower of Hera culminates in a battle with the dungeon's boss, Moldorm. This giant worm-like creature can only be damaged by striking its tail with your Master Sword. Be cautious, as the platform has holes you can fall through. Once Moldorm is defeated, a large treasure chest will appear. Open it to finally claim the invaluable Moon Pearl, completing your quest for this essential item.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.